Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee heart shape. Creating beautiful latte art is a rewarding skill that elevates your coffee experience. We will start by ensuring your espresso is perfectly brewed, forming a strong base for your design. Then, we'll focus on steaming milk to the ideal consistency, which is crucial for any successful latte art. Get ready to transform your morning cup. First, pull a fresh double espresso shot, aiming for about 1.5 to 2 ounces with a beautiful reddish-brown crema. This rich base is essential. Next, steam your milk to a silky, glossy texture, reaching approximately 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The milk should be like wet paint, free of large bubbles. Gently swirl both the espresso and the steamed milk to ensure they are well integrated and ready for pouring. Start by pouring the steamed milk into the center of your espresso from a slight height, about 3 inches, allowing it to mix underneath the crema. Once the cup is about 1/3 full, lower your pitcher closer to the surface, around 1 inch. Increase the milk flow and gently wiggle the pitcher from side to side. This action will cause a white circle to emerge on the surface of your coffee. To complete your heart, once the white circle has formed, slowly push the pitcher forward through the center of that circle. This motion will draw the milk through, creating the distinct heart shape. As you reach the edge of the cup, gently lift the pitcher to cut off the milk flow, leaving a clean, defined design. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't flawless. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.